Hi everyone, in this short tutorial, I'll show you how to add more context to your projects in Cacoo by combining multiple templates. Here, I've already set up a Kanban board for our iPad app project. We are tracking design and development tasks. On the left, we have upcoming tasks. In the middle, there's ongoing work. And on the right, what's already been completed. This Kanban view is great for tracking what's being worked on and the deadlines for each task, but it doesn't show an overview of when things are happening. So let's add a project timeline to give a sense of schedule. I'll open the Templates panel, search for Timeline, and insert the Project Timeline template. Each template comes with instructions to get you started, but for this example, we won't be needing them. I can adjust it to show our key phases: planning, design, development, testing, and launch, and change the dates. Let's skip forward to see the result. Adding this template helps the team visualize not just the status of each task, but also when major milestones are happening. A nice way to connect day-to-day work with the bigger picture. Now let's add one more layer of context, something for our designers. I'll open Templates again and choose the iPad Mockup template. It's placed next to the timeline, just as we did before. We can simply read the instructions and remove them. Here, we can sketch or import a screen design for the app, and make as many edits as we need. This makes it easy for designers and developers to collaborate on the same board, sharing progress and ideas visually. And that's it. In just a few minutes, we've turned a simple Kanban board into a complete project view, with tasks, timelines, and design all in one shared space, using multiple templates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.